Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Hansa Kamila, and in this video I would like to demonstrate my first kodular project, which is NameCardd. So first of all, what is kodular? So kodular is a web-based platform that allows users to build Android applications without writing traditional text-based code by using a visual drag and drop interface. So basically, it's the easiest platform and methods to build Android applications. So here's my project, and as you can see here, I have 3 screens in total, which are the screen 1 or the splash screen, then the main screen of my project, which is where the NameCardd is placed, and the last one is the contact screen, which consists of the contacts such as social media, email, or phone number of the person who has the NameCardd. And now for the first screen that I want to explain here is the screen 1 or the splash screen. Here are all the components I used in the screen. So there is space on top of the screen. You probably can't see it in the website, but you'll see it on the application. And then after the space, I have a label component, and it was supposed to be on the middle of it, like here, and another space, and then an image. This is what the image looks like. And now we're moving on to the blocks part of the splash screen. I only use a simple kind of code, which is when the image component is clicked, then it will open another screen, which here is the main screen. And that's all for the splash screen. Next up is the main screen of the project. So here you can see there are 2 parts in the main screen, which is the navigation bar on the top and then the NameCardd on the middle. So for the navigation bar, here I use a card as the base, then I insert a horizontal arrangement because I want to put more than one component inside the card horizontally. And inside the horizontal arrangement is a label on the left, which is the application's name, and then a card with a label inside of it on the right side of the navigation bar, and a space in the middle of them in between to make it look much more neat. And then for the NameCardd part, the first one is a space, then an image in a card, and some cards on the right that has labels in it, but you can't see it in the website, but you'll see it in the application later. And all these components is inside of a horizontal arrangement here. And next up, I have a couple of cards I stacked together with a label written by your data on the first card, and some actual information in the next few cards. And the last part of the screen is the archive, which is just a card that has a label in it, then a small horizontal arrangement under of the data of the archive, which consists of projects and numbers and certificates, books, experiences, and stuff like that. And now for the code, it's pretty much just when a specific component is clicked, then it will open another screen that is included in the code. And then now we are going to the last screen, which is the detail screen of the context button. So I'll skip the top navigation bar because I have already explained it before. Then I have a card here which is pretty similar with the main screen before, and the first card has a label with some context in it. Then some other cards are stacked and it's included the context of the person who has the NameCardd, such as Instagram, email, YouTube, and stuff like that. And now for the code, it's pretty much just the same as the code before. So if some specific components are clicked, then it will open another screen that is already been included in the code. And finally, that's pretty much all for the explanation of the components and code. And by the end of this video, I will show you the actual demonstration of the project when you operate it in a phone. And that's all from me. Thank you very much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.